What's up, Algebra 1? The purpose of this video is to model for you how to use the box method to double distribute. My box should have 2 rows and 2 columns because I have 2 terms in the first parentheses and 2 terms in the second parentheses. So I have 2 columns and I have 2 rows. Now I'm going to fill out my box. On the top of my box, I'm going to have the first parentheses, and that's x plus 3. And on the side, I'm going to have the second parentheses, which is x plus 8. It is super important to write the sign of the number. So here I have a plus sign for the positive 3, and here I have a plus sign for the positive 8. So now I'm going to multiply, because we already know that double distributing is multiplying terms inside of a parentheses. So I'm going to multiply my terms. I'm going to start here with this first part of the box, and I'm going to multiply x times x, which is x to the second power. My next box, I'm going to be multiplying x times positive 3. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. For this part of the box, I'm going to multiply x times plus 8. X times positive 8 is positive 8x. For the last part of the box, I'm going to multiply my constants, positive 3 and positive 8. Positive 3, positive 8. Positive 3 times positive 8, use a calculator if you need to, is positive 24. Now that I'm done with the multiplication, I'm going to write out my terms starting with f of x. So I have x squared plus 3x plus 8x plus 24. Now I need to look and see if I have any like terms. 3x and 8x we know are like terms because they both have an x. So I'm going to be able to combine them into one term. Three x plus 8x is 11x. And because x squared has no other like term, I'm going to bring it down. And because 24 has no other like term, I'm going to bring that down as well. And I'm done. So let's recap what I've modeled. I started with f of x, a quadratic equation in factored form. I used the box method to multiply my parentheses. I wrote out my terms and I combined my like terms, and I ended with standard form. I know I'm in standard form because I have an x squared term, an x term, and a constant. Now we're going to return back to the presentation. We're going to finish this mini lesson, and then you're going to rock this classwork.